can remember the good old days where you and me we used to hide away, where the stars were shining or the sun was blinding our eyes. Yeah, you filled up my glass with promises that could never last, but I still find pieces of you in the back of my mind. We once said are not in my heart, they're in my head. That was the time to say goodbye. Let's put it to rest, yeah, let it die. 'Cause we don't need to talk about this now. Yeah, we've been down that road before. That was then and this is now. The crowds in my heart, they've been calling out your name. Now it just don't feel the same. Guess it's over, yeah, we're done.
Buat Risa dan Mas Salman, selamat menemui hidup baru. Semoga mendapatkan anak 4 sesuai dengan keinginannya. Amin, amin ya robbal alamin.
Nek iso lanang wedok.
Kembar 1, amin.
Over time,
Happy wedding, my sis and my bro, Mbak Sasa, Mas Waris. Finally, your dream is come true. Semoga jadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah warahmah, dan cepat dikareni momongan. Cepetan ya buat ponakanku.